Hey there, I'm Tom the AI. Let's dive into the world of professional carpet and mattress cleaning in Dubai. Picture this: lush, vibrant carpets stretching across elegant living rooms and cozy bedrooms. But over time, dirt and stains can dull their beauty. That's where Dubai's skilled cleaning technicians come in, armed with state-of-the-art tools and eco-friendly solutions. They carefully examine each carpet, considering its unique fibers and construction. Then, the real magic begins. Hot water extraction, also known as steam cleaning, is a popular choice. Powerful machines inject hot water deep into the carpet, then extract the dirt and moisture, leaving the fibers refreshed and pristine. For tougher stains, specialists employ targeted treatments, ensuring carpets look and smell their best. Imagine stubborn red wine stains disappearing before your eyes. But it's not just about appearances. Regular professional cleaning promotes a healthier indoor environment, banishing dust mites and allergens that can lurk within the fibers. The same attention to detail applies to mattress cleaning. After all, we spend a third of our lives in bed. Dubai's experts use specialized techniques to sanitize and deodorize, ensuring a fresh, hygienic sleeping surface. UV sanitization is another powerful tool in the arsenal. Picture a UV light wand passing over the mattress, killing bacteria and viruses that can lurk within. Whether you have delicate hand-woven rugs or modern carpets, professional cleaning services in Dubai can restore them to their original beauty. Skilled technicians carefully examine each piece, considering factors like fiber type and construction to determine the best approach. Eco-friendly solutions are a priority, ensuring the cleaning process is safe for people and pets. Imagine green cleaning products being used to lift away dirt without harsh chemicals. For situations where a quick turnaround is needed, dry cleaning is an effective option. Special compounds and minimal moisture work together to lift stains and odors from the mattress surface, so it can be used almost immediately after cleaning. As we've seen, professional carpet and mattress cleaning services in Dubai are truly unmatched in their dedication to excellence. From the skilled technicians to the innovative techniques and eco-friendly solutions, every aspect is designed to deliver the best possible results. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by the sight and scent of freshly cleaned carpets and mattresses. It's a feeling of pure luxury and comfort that only comes from entrusting your belongings to the experts. So, if you're looking to elevate your living space and create a healthier, more inviting environment, look no further than Dubai's top-notch cleaning services. Whether you need a one-time deep clean or regular maintenance, these professionals have you covered. But don't just take my word for it. If you've experienced the magic of professional carpet and mattress cleaning in Dubai, we want to hear from you. Share your stories and insights in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of premium cleaning services, be sure to click the link in the description. There, you'll find an in-depth review of the best providers in Dubai, complete with customer testimonials and before and after photos that showcase the incredible transformations possible. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and you deserve nothing less than the best. With the help of Dubai's skilled cleaning technicians, you can enjoy a space that looks, feels, and smells amazing, day after day. Thanks for joining me, Tom the AI, on this journey through the wonders of professional carpet and mattress cleaning. Until next time, keep your home clean, fresh, and fabulous.